welcome to the video. I thought I would do a quick update on these eBay rotors and pads. I have had these for almost 6 months now. It's close enough, and they're still going great, still going strong. They stop well. I have noticed in the rain they do kind of squeak once you come to a full stop. That's kind of weird, but other than that, they stop. They work. I've had to step on the brake pretty hard a couple times, and I didn't rear end anyone. So they're still going good. And excuse the some of the rash that I'm going to be overlaying in these clips, showing up close, you know, the rotors. I have to redo the wheels this winter, but so far just doing a quick visual inspection, just kind of looking in there. I don't see any cracks, at least no big cracks. Probably here soon I'll actually like fully take the wheels off and really get up close on them, but I mean, they look good. I just from, you know, looking at it through here, I don't see anything. And yeah, the rotors feel great, the pads feel good. As far as them being, you know, drilled and slotted, I really don't know if there's a performance gain. I don't track the car. It's just street driven, so as far as like, do, you know, the brakes stay cooler or no less brake fade, I have no idea. So the ceramic pads, they seem like they're doing well. Like I said, they stop well. The rotors haven't warped. They work. I still haven't installed the rears. I'll probably do that when I get my 6-piston big brake kit here on the front. Gonna be finishing that up soon, buying the parts for it. But yeah, I just thought I would do the update to let you guys know that eBay rotors and ceramic pads, 6 months so far, going strong. Maybe if I don't get the big brake kit installed within a year, I'll do a year update. Yeah, if you guys have any questions about it, anything else regarding these, you know, the setup, I'll try and find the link of the ones I bought, but I think they change it up every now and then, and you can just search, you know, G35 brakes, you know, rotors, whatever. I'm sure you'll find a ton of them. I think all in all for front and rears, I paid like $180, I think, at most, for all 4 rotors, and then all all 8 ceramic pads. Like I said, the rears, I haven't done it yet because the rears are fine. I just had to replace my front brakes. But yeah, so that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces.